name is Lena. I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I actually have something very special for you guys. I was thinking, if you're someone like me who needs to dry their hair quickly after you get out of the shower, but you have absolutely no skills whatsoever how to dry your hair professionally or whatnot, so you're not going to style it with a hair dryer, you just want to dry your hair, then I was like, why spend $60 or $40 or even $30 on a blow dryer that I'm not even going to use to style my hair because I don't know how to? What about cheap options? So I was at Walmart and I actually saw 4 hair dryers all under 16 bucks, and I was like, let me try them out, see if they work, and let me tell you how it went. So here are the hair dryers. They're pretty cute. Look at that. You'll be asking yourself, Lena, why the heck did you put eyes on your blow dryers? Yeah, it's a bit weird, but I was like, why not? Let's put a little bit of personality into these hair dryers. I mean, they look boring without them, and I think it gives them a little bit of a personality. This one looks like the Cookie Monster and his friend. I don't know. So let's get started. Okay, guys, let's get started. So I'm actually going to start with this one because I really like pink, and so that's why I chose this one. So most people, they do the blow drying or the hair drying with this kind of brush, but like I mentioned before, I have no idea how to blow dry my hair properly. I just use it to just get the wetness out of my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. So let's see how this one goes. So far, what I noticed about this one is that it's very lightweight, so I like that. And these little buttons here have a little grip, so I guess that kind of helps you, you know, get your finger right into it, so turn it on and off. So let's get started. Woo! Okay. I'm already stuck. Kind of helps that I have short hair, huh? It's already pretty hot, so that's good. Well, I actually like this one. It heats up pretty well, so this one is a good choice. Let's try the other one. Okay, so this one has a shorter cable, which is fine, I guess, if you're in the bathroom and you have it out in the sink, but for the purpose of this video, I need it to be longer. So let me go ahead and move this. There we go. Okay, now we can try it. So this one has, like, you can do warm or cool like that, and then high, low, and off for like the power of it. But let's go ahead and put it in hot and in high. Ooh. Okay. I mean, it's pretty hot now, but it sounds kind of weird. This one sounds weird. Hold up. I mean, it's doing the job. It's also lightweight, which is good too. Do I look good already? Okay, well this one's good too. I mean, the only thing is, like I said, the cord is shorter, so that might be an issue for some people. But the buttons are good and the heat comes out good, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and try the next one. Okay, so this one's pretty cute, huh? It's smaller. The only thing is the attachment didn't come to make it like the little, I call it the duck lip attachments didn't come. But I think any one of them can fit. The cool thing about this one is that the cord retracts and that it's smaller, and also I got it because you can fold the little thing. Oops. And one of his eyes fell off. And then you can put it back up, you know, for travel or whatnot. It's a little bit hard, but it works. Let's see how long this is. Not that long, but we'll see. Okay, let's try it off. This one just has off, high, and low. So let's see. Maybe I need to reset the button. Ooh, this one's loud. This one's even shorter than the last one. But it sure heats up. I should also mention that, oh, hold up. That it's a bit heavier than the other two. So, you know, if you have a lot of hair and it's going to take you a while, it's going to start weighing on you. Okay, well, I can tell you already that one's not my favorite because it's heavy and it's weird, and plus it lost an eye, so it looks even weirder now. But let's go ahead and try the last one. I think the last one is the cutest with its eyes. I know, weird, but whatever. Okay, this one has a pretty long cord, so that's good. I put the, I don't know what that's called, but you're supposed to go like that, and it's supposed to give you like nice curls. So I put that attachment on it, but it also brings this attachment on it too, so that's pretty cool for the price. And it just looks like a cute little green monster, huh? Isn't that cute? Don't judge. Okay, so let's see. This one has also for, you can do cool air, warm air, or hot, and all of them bring the little button for the cold air. And then you can do the power, whether you want it low or high. So let's go ahead. Let's put it in hot, and let's put it in high. Ooh! That's hot. I've never used one of these attachments before, so. But it's coming out hot, which is nice. It looks like it's gonna eat you, like it's so big. But okay, let's get it done. Okay, I took off the attachment too so that I can see, like, because I can't really feel too much hot air going into my hair because of the attachment, so let's see how it goes without it. Oh yeah! I think this one is the one that has the most power, actually. And it's super lightweight also, so that's nice. Thank you. It's like you're in a movie. Yes. Okay, so those were the 4 that I tried. Okay, so you already saw me use all of the 4 hair dryers, and I kind of gave you a little bit of my thoughts during the use of them. But if I were to choose my favorites, it would definitely be this one and the pink one. The pink one and this one are both Revlon. The other ones are Conair. And they're both lightweight. They both dry really fast, and they both look cute with the eyes. Plus, also, it's just, the cord is longer. I just find it more useful. This one has, you know, this one has the setting so that you can do it like cool or warm or hot air. This one just has, you know, the low, medium, and high air, and that's it. While this one also has the power button. So this one has a little bit more options. It's probably $1 more, if that. So, I mean, you just choose. This one also brings 2 attachments. It brings this attachment, and it also brings this one that looks kind of scary, remember? So it really depends on you, what you want. Down in the description box, I'm going to leave the links to every single hair dryer that I got, and you can check them out and see if you want them. Most of them, they carry them at the local store, so you don't have to wait for shipping. You just go and get it when you go get your groceries. But I really do hope that you guys found this video helpful. You know, I am just starting my YouTube channel, so I would really appreciate it if you guys gave me that support and subscribed down in the red button, and then even give me a like. and I would really appreciate it. Bye, loves. Oh, by the way, I wanted to interrupt the ending to give you a little surprise. I was thinking, it's my first video, why not? I want to give out one of the blow dryers. I'll just do a giveaway. I mean, they were cheap and they work good, so maybe one of you can use them. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video, and then down in the comments tell me which one you want. Do you want the pink one? Do you want the blue one? Do you want the green one? Or do you want the white one? And as a bonus, if you want, I'll leave a link to my Instagram. You can go to my Instagram, follow me, and then put a comment also as well in the picture in the last post that I'm going to have, and tell me which one you want. And I'll pick a lucky winner, by the end of next week, and then we'll get in touch and I'll send it over to you. So I hope to hear from you guys. Okay, bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.